In this video, we can learn about the flu. Please, before, before that you start, you can watch this video. Continue. The date, please write the date, June 2020. Topic, asking for and giving advice. Performance, read the magazine article, page 24, okay? Please open your book, your page 24. We have the review about the article that you understand. What are the symptoms of flu? Look, the headache, flu, the headache, look, the head, dry cough when you like this, okay? A sore throat, fever, pain all over the body, all the body. ¿Cuáles son los síntomas de la gripe? Dolor de cabeza, tos seca, inflamación de la garganta, fiebre y dolor, yes, por todo el cuerpo. ¿Ok? Continue with that. What is the cure for flu? There is no cure for flu. We don't have the cure, okay? They are activities that you should or shouldn't. La gripe no tiene como pues, I don't know, there is no cure. Dice, no tiene cura. There is no cure for flu. No hay una cura. But there are things you should or shouldn't do. Hay acciones, actividades que puedes hacer, deberías hacer y que no deberías hacer, como lo habíamos visto, ¿ok? Ok, esto es de acuerdo al artículo que encuentras en la página 28. Ok, start. You should stay in bed and rest. You should drink water. You should drink tea. You should drink lemon and honey. You should go to the hospital if you feel very sick. Should, debería, son los consejos que vamos a dar. Advice, consejos. Usted debería estarse en cama y descansar. Usted debería tomar agua. Usted debería tomar té. Usted debería tomar limonada con miel. Usted debería ir al hospital si se siente muy enfermo, ¿ok? They are the should. Shouldn't. Lo que no debería hacer. You shouldn't. You shouldn't go out. You shouldn't go out. You shouldn't mix with other people. You shouldn't touch your eyes, mouth, or nose with dirty hands. ¿Ok? Lo que no deberías hacer es salir. No deberías salir. Usted no debería salir. Usted no debería mezclarse, juntarse con otras personas. Usted no debería tocar sus ojos, su boca o nariz con sus manos sucias. ¿Ok? Remember, this is the activity for today that you can read, please read the article, page 28, and answer, please, in your book, the point A. Read and mark the flu symptoms, okay? It's only point A. Okay, my student, this is the activity for today. Bye. See you.